Hi students! Now we would like to learn about ERO, Elementary Row Operation. So what is ERO?
ERO refers to basic operations that can be performed on the rows of a matrix to transform it without changing the solution of the system it represents. These operations are used mainly in solving systems of linear equations, finding matrix inverses, and reducing matrices to simpler forms such as row echelon form. Let's begin our lesson now.
This is an example question that we want to solve by using ERO. We have 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and negative 5x minus 2y equal to 4. So first we have to convert this linear equation into augmented matrix. We must include the sign also in the augmented matrix. This is the main diagonal. This is row 1, this is row 2, this is column 1 and column 2. So the first step is you need to convert the main diagonal into 1. This is main diagonal, you need to convert to 1. Second, you need to convert the others number except main diagonal to 0, which is you need to convert to 0. And 3, you must do it column by column.
Next, to solve this question, you need to have two formulas, which is for the number that need to change to 1 is Rn, which is row we are working on, divide to n the number that we want to convert. And for the second formula, the number that need to change to 0 is Rn, which is row we are working on, minus Rx, row that has 1 in main diagonal, and multiple by n, number that need to convert to 0.
Okay, so you want to change these two. So row 1, you divide with 2. Using this formula to calculate this row. So 2 divide with 2, you get 1. And then 3 divide with 2, you get 3 over 2. And then 5 divide with 2, you get 5 over 2. Do the same thing. Next, you have to change this negative 5 to 0 using this formula for this row. So negative 5, row 2 minus row 1 multiply with negative 5. So row 2 negative 5 minus row 1 1 and multiply with negative 5. So you get 0. And then negative 2 minus row 1. Row 1 is 3 over 2. So negative 2 minus 3 over 2 multiply with negative 5. You get 11 over 2. And then 4 minus row 1. Row 1 is 5 over 2. And then multiply with negative 5. You get 33 over 2. After you done convert this column to 1 and 0, then you convert this column. So for this row, you use this formula. But it states here R2, so you have to change only these two. R2 divide with 11 over 2. So 11 over 2 divide with 11 over 2, you get 1. And then 33 over 2 divide with 11 over 2, you get 3. Finally, you have to change this to 0 using this formula. So for this also. So row 1, 3 over 2 minus row 2, 1. And multiply with 3 over 2, you get 0. And then 5 over 2 minus row 2. Row 2 is 3. So 5 over 2 minus 3 multiply with 3 over 2, you get negative 2. And then finally you get the answer. X negative 2, Y 3. Finish.